for Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I want to do a video on like the best news I've had in 21 years dealing with hair. Anyway, I had a client come in to me, and I apologize with my voice because I have a cold, so sorry you even have to listen to this, but it's worth it, I promise. Anyway, so I had a client come in, get her hair cut, and I had seen that, you know, her hair wasn't in the best shape. Didn't say anything, of course. She had come back for another cut, and I had seen her hair change like dramatically. Anyway, it was incredible. I'm like, wow, this is so I didn't say anything. Anyway, she made one more appointment. She had come back and asked if she could bring me some of her hair product to use on my clients. Anyway, for the week. So I used it on the clients, and they started calling and texting and, what did you put on my hair? Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so soft. Everything. And the first time I used it, I loved it. Anyway, so I'm gonna try not to ramble on, but I'm just so excited about this. I can't even stand it. The line, let me just hold one of these up. The line is called Monat, okay? And some people call it Monat, some people, I always call it Monat. Monat is a lot of what they say. Anyway, so I call it Monat. M-O-N-A-T. Anyway, and you guys, there's everything. So there's everything from like the black line. This is a guy's line, which I use this in my hair. You know, this can be for greasy hair, for blondes. This will make them really bright. But I'm not going to get into too much of what each of these products do, because I'm going to do videos on each of the products because you need to know specifically what they do. Now, there's a couple ways of buying this, okay? We have a link on the website, and you can push on that. So you can just buy it at retail price, or there is a thing called a VIP, which is just a $20 fee, and you get 2 promotions a week, or deals, I guess you could say, that you have the option of getting or buying. The only VIPs, like, you know, buy something, get one free, or anyway, there's promotions, 1 to 2 of those a month that you get. You get 15% off all of your products that you buy. The other thing is you get 3 flex ships a year, which say you buy your first shipment, and then you can go out 2 months and, you know, write down or order what you're wanting to come in 2 months. But say you either don't want to pay for it that month, or you want to change the product that you want to get, or whatever, you just go in to the link to the product and you change the date or the product. So it's not like you have to buy a monthly amount or anything like that. So there's 3 flex ships a year. So your first, you know, order would be your first flex ship. Anyway, and if you have questions on that, let me know. It's kind of confusing when you hear it the first time, but it's really easy. And I love it because Monat, you guys, is very concentrated. Okay, so you need very little. Like, that was my hardest thing with it, is getting used to how much I needed to use. Like before, I'm like, you know, pounding the shampoo and the mousse, everything. I was using a ton of it. Anyway, this, you use very, very little. Anyway, there's everything from masks to, like, this is a kid's line, and it has the shampoo, conditioner, and the spray. Anyway, incredible. Like, you should smell this stuff. Every single product of Monat is awesome. Anyway, like Rejuva beads. These are for split ends, that just seals down the cuticle and makes it not look frizzy and fuzzy. Anyway, there are like the S3 pills that are like, they're like prenatals on steroids. It's crazy. Anyway, there's eye serum, brow serum that grows your eyelashes and brows. Anyway, so just, there's tons. There's root lifter, there's dry shampoo, everything you can imagine Monat has. The other thing I want to let you guys know, so I've been doing hair for 21 years now. And honestly, like I have never come in contact with anything like this. Like crazy, crazy good. I would always find something from here, or, you know, hairspray from here, shampoo from here. I never found a line that I loved everything. And this, I love everything. Okay, the other thing, this whole line, you guys, is revolved around rejuvenate oil, okay? This, it promotes growth. It strengthens each hair strand so you don't lose as much hair. This has stuff for chemo patients. It has stuff for everyone, you guys. Now, say you have dry or itchy scalp. I've had clients with that, and I found this, and so they just put dots in, and then they just rub it around. And I want to show you guys this. You just push down, and it's like a dropper. So they just take it, and they drop it in their head, and then they just do it around. No itching. Awesome. Okay, so for all the hairdressers out there, this, I put one to 2 drops of this in my color. You guys, crazy. It pops the color. It's super, super soft and shiny. The shine is awesome. I've never really had shiny hair, and now I'm starting with the shine, and I'm so excited. And the other thing is, with this product, before I would cake on my stuff and spray it so it would stay. So at first, this was so soft, I was scared that it wasn't going to stay in, and it does. You guys, it's really soft, but it's pieced out, and it stays all day. So I was super excited about that. The other thing, this can just go in your ends after it's dry, or before when it's wet, when you want to dry it. That's just a reference of whatever you prefer is what I mean to say that way. The other thing is, so there is the VIP, there's also a market partner, and that's what I did. So I tried this product, absolutely loved it, and I called her and I said, you know what, I just need all these products. So anyway, she got me into the market partner, which there's a $2.99, $3.99, $5.99 package that you can get, which everything after that, and it's more than 30% off. I want to say it's like 47 or so. I don't know. There's different prices, but it's a killer deal if you do the package. And the thing that I love about the package is it gives you your own link. So like I have my link because I got my package. You guys can have your own link with a package. Anything under that, you know, say your sister or cousins, whoever wants to use it, because they will see a difference in your hair. And you use it on them one time, and it's crazy. Like, I'm going to be posting pictures of befores and afters with just one wash, and you see a huge difference. Anyway, so, and hairdressers, and you don't have to be a hairdresser, and you don't have to sell. I need to tell you guys this. So once you buy a package and you become a market partner, you get 30% off of all of your products, and you do get the 3 flex ships. And that's free shipping over $84. So anyway, I love it because it's 80, you know, usually, okay, every other product usually has 80% water and 20% product, and we have 60 to 40. And so I love that because it's very concentrated. I love it. It's super great. So the market partner, if you're interested in that, let me know. I can help you guys out. And I know you guys are going to want to see the videos of how it works, but I just wanted to get this out there for you guys, and let you know every single thing in this line is incredible. I've never seen anything like it. So anyway, the market partner, again, you get 30% off, and like forever, and you don't have to sell. But if you're wanting to make extra money, there are tons of bonuses, and you can make money by selling it. So, and you know what? People in salons, yeah, go for it. This is a line, like I took all of my products, you guys, out of my salon. All I have is Monat now. And so, anyway, that's how much I believe in it. So, if you guys have questions about it, let me know. We are going to be posting videos on each individual thing. to show you really how it works, like the shine, the everything. Anyway, so I'm excited to do that. But you guys, if you have any questions, just let me know. If you want to order and try it, go to our link. Up in the corner it says menu, just push menu and then push business and then go to shop, and you can do like a line together, or you can do shampoo, conditioner. Coolest, most best thing about this, I think, is you can mix and match products. Okay, so this product goes into your hair strand and works from the inside out. It's awesome. So say you need volume, you're going to use a volume shampoo, which is a Revive shampoo. But say you need moisture, you can use any of the moisture conditioners. Okay, the thing with these shampoos, the first shampoo, when you put it on, like seriously dime size, maybe nickel for long hair. Anyway, the first time you wash it, one shampoo, it's gonna feel different. It's not gonna be all sudsy and like go through your hair good. What that is doing is it's getting on your hair strands and it is taking everything off. All the chemicals, like all the buildup off, okay? Then you leave it on for 3 minutes, your first shampoo, and then you shampoo again and just rinse it out. Okay, if you are going to use the mask, you'll want to leave it on for 7 minutes, a conditioner over that for 3. That's only if you're doing the mask, and that's every 4 to 5 washes, so you don't need that all the time. But, so you can mix and match. If you need hydration, volume, whatever you need, you can do a shampoo of this and a shampoo of that, and it will do its job. So I love that, because usually it's just one line of volume, one line of hydration. This, you can mix and match everything. So anyway, lots of words, lots going on, but I wanted to get this out to you guys because, and there's awesome deals going on. So say you want to do a market partner and get a package, you get 4 free products: split end mender, the Eye Wonder, a hairspray, and then a blowout cream, which the blowout cream is to die for, and it protects your ends from blow dryer, heat, flat iron, all of that. You get all those free when you sign up as a market partner with a package, okay? And then you get all the 30% off from then on out. And the blowout cream somebody has. This isn't all the products. I do have all the products, but I have tons of people with them. I send them home with them for them to try. Anyway, so I've already had people buy, on my link, and they've already got back to me. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I had one from the kids line. She had like staticky hair and fine, and it was just going everywhere. And she used this, and she texted me, and she was so thankful because her hair looks healthy. It's not staticky, and that was with one wash. So you guys, really, it's incredible. Let us know if you have any questions, and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you.